Good morning, good morning, good morning. Wow. Hi, Mama Omena. Good morning. Thank you for watching. And in a few minutes, we'll be starting. Wow, Mr. David, watching from Liberia. Good morning. From Jorilyn Corpin. Wow, watch and learn from China. Coming from Abioy Opeyemi. Power. Grabe. From Florence Nwaka. Hello, good morning. Good morning to you. I hope you're doing great today and you're ready for our live. Watching from Dubai, UAE. Hi, hi, hi. Good morning, Jonna Ann. From good morning, Ma. From Aziz Abiola Sarumi. Good morning to you, Sa. Good morning also from watching from Potakot or Port Harcourt. Shidima, Ijoma, and Yoha. Good morning, Ma. AIM morning to all AIM Global family. Have a wonderful day watching from Pasig City, Philippines. Mabuhay! Hi, Ma'am Crisanta Anaya. Magandang umaga. Good morning. Coming from another one. Ocampo Miguel Mila. Good morning po. Good morning, AIM Global Nigeria. Ganon, dapat parang just like, you're representing your country. Just like what do you call this? A beauty pageant. Good morning, Madam Celestina Okehi. Watching from Port Harcourt or PH. Good morning, Ma. Good morning. Oh, coming from Abigail. Hello, good morning to AIM Global family watching from Lagos. Good morning. Welcome to our live today. And later on, we'll be talking about our marketing plan. Oh, watching from Milan, Italy. AIM High. Good morning. Oh, another comment from Mila Ocampo. Coach, permission to add members here. Sure, you are welcome to add prospects, guests, so that they will be able to know our opportunity here. Of course, definitely about the marketing plan of Alliance in Motion Global, NIJA. Good morning, Mr. Abdul Rahim Musa. Good morning, Sa. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, AIM Global family watching from Anambra State. Coming from Covenant, Oluchi Ekidinobi. Good morning, sir. Good morning. How are you, sir? All right. I think it's time for us to start. Let me share my screen. Good morning. Good morning again to each and every one of you today, to all our brothers and sisters that are Ibo, Ututoma. Of course, to our Europa friends and brothers and sisters as well, Ikaro. To our Hausa brothers and sisters, Inakwana. And Imesiri, to our friends also coming from Akwa Ibom State. So I'm very happy to be here, and I appreciate everybody who is watching right now. You can start sharing this live so that they will be able to see the opportunity, see what is the marketing plan of Alliance in Motion Global Nigeria. Anyway, I am your international trainer. My name is Marika Trina Linyan, or you may call me Kate for short, and I will be the one giving you our marketing plan, or explain to you how or what are the ways how you'll be able to do the business of AIM Global, especially know all about the marketing plan of Nigeria. Now, at this point, I do believe you are now sharing, tagging, and sharing this to your prospects and guests, and let's get started. All right. Today we are all here to talk about an opportunity in line of what is happening right now in the world. Not only here in Nigeria, we are facing a lot of challenges, a lot of changes. And the reality is a lot of people even lose or lost their jobs. Businesses are forced to close down, and worst, some of them have announced bankruptcy. But despite all of that, despite all of those challenges, we need to decide now what is the next step we need to do in order for us to be financially prepared. Now, my question, are you financially prepared? Even before the pandemic came, are you already financially prepared? You know, this crisis that just happened to us, these are the moments of our lives or situations in our lives where we didn't actually expect this to happen. None of us even were expecting this can really happen to us. But this is the reality we are now facing. And now, I will always ask you, are you financially prepared? Because we cannot bring back the past anymore. But what we can do right now is to move forward, to accept and find ways how to become financially prepared. There will be more crises. Yes, you heard me right. There will be more crises. There will be more challenges to us that will come. But this is the right time for you to act, to decide, and to become prepared. Now, my question for everyone who is watching right now, how are you going to start your business? How are you going to make money and become financially prepared even amidst the crisis, even at the comfort of your home? Now, all you need to do is to take advantage of the technology that we have with the use of your Android phone, with your laptop, with your system, and a good source of internet connection or data, plus the right business plan. And never forget the desire, the passion, the persistence, and also the mindset that you are willing to give to be prepared financially and to also get what you want in your life. Now, if you ask me, well, Kate, I already have the tools how to start a business. So now the next question is, how about the business plan? What is the best online business plan that I can do today? Earlier, I was talking about taking advantage of the technology, of the use of the internet. If you have your Android phone, making use of it. In short, we are right now in the connected economy. Through Facebook, through Messenger, through Instagram, through WhatsApp, through Zoom, Google, or any social media platform or internet platform, you can already access to a lot of opportunities to earn and be in business. And today, I am going to share with you the best business plan, which is Alliance in Motion Global. This is a business that will shift your liabilities to asset, daily consumables to profit, daily expenses to income potential, and daily necessities to opportunities. Now, the next question is, how do I get started? All you need to do is to buy our global package worth 38,000 Naira. Inclusions are 53 to 73,000 worth of products. You have 25% lifetime discount, business kit, free distributors tracking center, free trainings, and travel incentives. Now, with all of this, of course, what are the other ways for me to earn here? Number one, let's talk about retailing. This is the first way to earn here in Alliance in Motion Global. And here our product lines include food supplements, beverages, personal care, and also a lot more. We also have a wearable technology that you can bring anywhere and protect you from bacteria and viruses plus radiation. And here in retailing or sharing of the wonderful products that we have, you get to enjoy 25% on all product purchase. So 25% discount on all your product purchase. Now, how are you going to profit? Definitely, the discount that you will have is going to be your profit once you start sharing and retailing the products of AIM Global. Now, let's talk about what are the other ways to earn. Under the marketing plan or the compensation plan of our company, we have programs which is binary program, unilevel program, and stair-step program. Come, let's talk about them one by one. In the direct referral bonus, here you're going to earn 3,000 Naira per global package sold to your client. In short, if you see in the illustration, once you become part of our company, you have an earning of 3,000 once you start sharing, and the one you have shared the global package or the one you have shared the opportunity also will decide to buy the global package and encode it into the system of our company. Automatically, you will be given 3,000 bonus. So that is per global package sold to your client. And don't forget, it should be encoded in the system of our company. Next, under the binary program, we also have match sales bonus. Here, you'll be able to earn an additional of 4,800 Naira every time there is a match from left sales group to your right sales group. Now, take a look at the illustration or the picture in my slide. You can see there, if that is you, suppose you are the one above it, in the match sales bonus, in the binary program, you are going to be given a left sales group and a right sales group. Once you start sharing the opportunity and people decide to join you and you put them on one on the left and one on the right, and you are going to be given your direct referral bonus of 3,000. Once the system sees there is somebody on your left side and somebody on your right sales group, you will automatically be given a match sales bonus, which is 4,800. So here, this is an additional bonus, which is match sales bonus. Now, the potential or the daily potential income in the match sales bonus is up to 96,000 Naira per day. That is 96,000 Naira per day, which is 4,800, which is your match sales bonus, times 20 matches or pairs per day. Here in AIM Global, I'm very proud to say that we are even on lockdown, even restrictions is there, we are still paying our distributors on a daily basis. In short, we are still a daily payout. And we are also with no time frame and no maintenance. So that is in our match sales bonus. Now let's move on. What are the other ways? Of course, let's proceed to uni-level program or uni-level bonus. This bonus is based on your product reorders, product, what are you selling or sharing your products. This is entirely involves the product movement or product sharing. So here you are entitled to earn from your first level 10% to your on your second level to 10th level 5%. So this is another additional income aside from your retailing, aside from your direct referral bonus and match sales bonus. This is another way or another additional bonus you can get once you do our business or do our ways to earn. Moving on, another way to earn is stair-step bonus. Now here in our stair-step program, this is an income based on the title and the rank. So here, based on the title and the rank that you have, you'll be able to earn commissions, based on group product reorder and global packages down the line. So here, let me give you a little bit of an explanation how this one can go. So upon joining our company, you will be called distributor. And here, you are not yet entitled of the stair-step bonus. But upon gathering all of the group points up to, you can already accumulate up to 10 positional points out of the group or the product reorders and global packages of your group. Once you accumulate the 10 positional points, you will level up or step up into silver executive. You'll be entitled or you will get the title or the rank of silver executive. And here you get to receive an additional of 10% commission on all of the products that are shared and sold or moved under your organization. How about gold executive? How to become a gold executive? You only need 100 positional points. Again, this is coming from group product reorders or the people under your organization. All of you are selling and producing. You are going to get 20% commission on all of them. Then, once you reach 1,000 positional points, you will become a global ambassador. And here you get to have an additional commission of 30% into your organization. So this is actually our marketing plan is different sources of income. Yes, so from retailing to direct referral bonus to match sales bonus, uni-level, and stair-step. That is why in the span of 14 years, no wonder our company really created 10,000 plus self-made multi-millionaires, not only here in Nigeria, but around the globe. So in the span of 14 years, we have already reached and also gave this opportunity to a lot of people. And that is why we always say to them that our system is already proven and tested. So that is why this is the right business plan for you. Now, let me share with you what are the benefits of multiple accounts, because earlier I already explained to you just based on one account. Now let me show you the beauty or the advantage of multiple accounts. It's just like you have a higher investment if you want to have a higher return. So here in 3 accounts, this is 38,000 Naira times 3, it's 114,000 Naira. Your gross cash return of investment is 10,800 plus the return of the worth of the consumable products that you get from your package is worth 217,800. So it's a total of 228,600 Naira immediate return of investment. So imagine you have just invested 114,000 and you will have an immediate return through the products and through the commission at 228,600. It's more than, I think it's 100%, of the return of your investment. Correct? Yes. Now let's move forward. How about 7 accounts? Because here you can actually invest from 1 account, 3 accounts, 7 accounts, up to 15 accounts. So let me tell you the advantage of 7 accounts investment under the multiple accounts. So here you get to invest 266,000 because 38,000 times 7 is 266,000. So the gross cash return or from the commission is 42,000 plus the consumable products is worth 508,200. So it's a total of 550,200 immediate return from your investment. So it's actually 50% of what you have just invested. Next is we also have 15 accounts. So here in 15 accounts, your investment is 570,000 because again 38,000 times 15, and here your return or cash return of investment is 123,600 naira. The consumable products and the return of the products from your packages is the worth is 1,089,000 naira in a total of 1.2 million naira immediate return of investment. So imagine the return to you once you invest your money. You have just got more than the percentage or more than the amount you have just invested. It's just like you have bought it, but you have returned, but it has returned to you downright or downright. So that is the beauty of the multiple accounts, because I believe that if you want to have a successful business, you need to have a good strategy. So this multiple accounts is actually just like strategies if you want also your business to be more faster and will grow faster. So here, you'll be giving the same amount of effort in your business. It's just like you'll be more wiser if you invest more, because the potential or your daily potential income is also going to increase or going to be multiplied according to the accounts you also invested. So the same thing with other businesses, they also have strategies, and these multiple accounts is also the strategies we can do so that we can move our business faster and we can also earn more. Now let me give you a breakdown or a breakdown of the potential income of the accounts I just presented you today. For 3 accounts, the per day or income potential per day is 288,000. Per week is 2 million. Per month is 8.6 million. In 7 accounts, your daily potential income is 672,000. Per week is 4.7 million, and you also have per month is 20.1 million naira. How about 15 accounts? Of course, it's going to also be multiplied and higher. Your per day is 1.4 million. Your per week is 10 million. Per month is 43.2 million daily income potential. I always emphasize the daily income potential. It's because doing the business, it should be with your effort, doing the right system, and really doing it on a daily basis. It takes also effort, not only talent and skills, for you to become successful and for you to get your results. Again, talent, skills, plus efforts or working harder will always give you the result. That is why we are showing you the system so that you can also maximize your income potential. So that is our multiple accounts or advantages of our multiple accounts. Now, how do we pay? Definitely, you're going to pay it straight to the account of the company. So the payment method is we are affiliated with 4 banks here in Nigeria. We have Zenith Bank, we have Fidelity, we have Access, and EcoBank. So this is our partners, our payment partners here in Nigeria. So I believe those who are the first timers here, those who are interested, contact talk, connect with the person who have tagged you, shared you this video or this live stream, because he's going to guide you how you're going to do and, you know, have an access how you'll be joining us and how to become part of the connected economy and to be part of our business here in Alliance in Motion Global. So that is our marketing plan and the payment methods. And let me bring you an announcement. Wow, the good news. Soon. Kindly say soon. I'm very, very excited. It's because soon we're going to launch our online shop here in Nigeria. Here you can access, you know, in ordering and also paying just through our own web page. And here in this online shop, you'll be able to order online, you'll be able to get your products and be delivered to you. So imagine this is going to be a more fast and a more, you know, exciting thing, because as you can see, most of the places that we have, or most of the countries, or most especially here, most of the state, there are also you know, there is also problems, not problems, but maybe there are challenges in the movement. So through this online shop, it will make it easier for you also to get a hold of the products, especially the services of our company. So this is another good news that we will soon launch here in Nigeria. So watch out for this because it's going to be very soon. And actually, I'm already done with the marketing plan of Alliance in Motion Global. I hope you have understood my explanation. And at this point, I would like also to announce that right after my presentation, right after this live, we will be having our, by 12 noon today, we are going to have our Vice President for Network and Training Development, Mr. Arnel Limpin, with us and our via Zoom. And the Zoom link is already posted here in AIM Nigeria Talks. All you have to do is click it to be able to join us together with our Vice President. So I hope I will get to see all of you in our Zoom meeting or Zoom training later, because one of our great trainers, great mentors are going to be with us, and our Vice President, Mr. Arnel Limpin. So let's get excited, be prepared, and that's why I started on time and I kept it short and simple so that we'll be able to prepare for the training of our Vice President, Mr. Arnel Limpin. So I hope I will get to see you there later. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. I hope I have enlightened you with the marketing plan or the ways to earn and how you'll be able to maximize, you know, despite of the, maximize your potential, even despite the pandemic or the crisis. There is still hope. There is still a reason for you to move forward, and also an opportunity for you to also to earn despite of all of these things happening, because being prepared is also becoming prepared of the opportunities, and being prepared financially is very, very important, so that we'll be able to move on, go on with our lives, and also provide all of the needs and the wants, not only with ourselves but with our families. So I guess that's a wrap up. I'm very, very happy. I appreciate those who are commenting right now. I can see all of your comments, and I greet you, my brothers and sisters. I greet you here in Niger, and of course in the Philippines. We have also Filipinos who are watching us right now. Magandang umaga. Salamat po sa panonood. All right, we have watching from there's great news. We have from Angela. We also have from Robina Olarte, watching from Jeddah. Good morning po. Oh, coming from Madam G, Miss Jean Soralta. We have what, Red Onata Ata. She is shouting out. From George, lovely, and thanks my role model and Coach Kate. Thank you. Watching from Caloocan, Philippines. Good morning po, ma'am. From Basi, great lesson. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Okay, watching from Zinder. Is this Zinder in Republic of Niger? In West Africa. Alio, my father. Good morning from the Republic of Niger. From Prince Ezra, salamat po, Coach. Watching from Cebu, Philippines. Wow. Good morning, Mr. Fatay. Ani masahon? Walang anuman po. From Dave. We appreciate you. Nice explanation. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And again, I appreciate all those who are watching right now, commenting in our comment section. And I guess I am done already with my presentation today. I hope I have enlightened you. And for those who are first-timers, guests who are watching us right now, this is the perfect time, or this is the right time to connect to the person who have tagged you in this video, in this live, because this is the right time to start your business and build your dreams. Because I do believe that hope is still, we should always spread hope, and the opportunity is always with us once we hang on to the hope and to the dreams that we have. So again, good morning. God bless you. And I hope I see you in another live that we will be having, especially in the OPPs that the upcoming OPP or the opportunity plan presentation that we will be presenting you. So again, God bless you. I'll see you again. Good morning.